Third one, surface renewal theory. Mass transfer in liquid phase. Danckwerts modified the Higgs penetration theory. Danckwerts stated that a portion of the mass transfer surface is replaced with a new surface. How? By the motion of eddies near the surface. He proposed the following assumption. First assumption, the liquid element at the interface are being randomly changed or swapped by fresh element from bulk. Second assumption, at any moment each of the liquid element at the surface has the same probability of being substituted by fresh element. Third assumption, unsteady state mass transfer takes place to one element during its stay at the interface. For surface renewal theory, flux is equal to mass transfer coefficient into concentration difference. Na average is equal to Cai minus Cab. This is the concentration difference. Mass transfer coefficient of this theory, root of S into dAb. So here already we have molecular diffusion in liquid. So Na is equal to mass transfer coefficient into concentration difference. So from that, so you compare this equation. So mass transfer coefficient Kl average is equal to root of S into dAb. What is S here? S is fraction of the surface renewed in unit time. That is the rate of surface renewal. That is second power minus 1. So dAb is the diffusivity. Kl average is nothing but that is the mass transfer coefficient. Last one, boundary layer theory. Boundary layer theory takes into account the hydrodynamics or flow field that characterizes a system and gives a realistic picture of the way mass transfer at a phase boundary. This is a schematic concentration boundary layer. This is a flat plate. Okay. So the flat plate boundary layer. This is a concentration profile. Delta of x, delta m of x is the thickness. This is a x-axis is a x, y-axis is the y. So here u is the velocity. Cab is the concentration. So Ca and Ci is the initial and final concentration. So here Cab is the beyond the film. That is the concentration beyond that film. Here when is delta is equal to delta of x, u is equal to u infinitive, and when delta is equal to delta m of x, u is equal to 0.99 times of u infinitive. So the solute concentration drops by 99% of concentration difference Cai to Cab. This is the analogy. Shear root number is equal to x into Kl by dAb. This is the shear root number is equal to 0.332 into Reynolds number power 0.5, Schmidt number power 0.33. This is the analogy, mass transfer analogy, where x is the distance of the point from the leading edge of the plate. Kl is the local mass transfer coefficient. So shear root average is equal to L into KLX by dAb is equal to 0.664, Reynolds power 0.5, Schmidt power 0.33, where L is the length of the plate, where x is the distance. So shear root number correlation is different. Where L is the length of the plate, this is the correlation. Shear root number is equal to L into KLX by dAb. So this correlation 0.664, Reynolds power 0.5, Schmidt number power 0.332. Thank you for your attention.